Guys, it's me again. It's May 1st. It's the supposed flower moon. What? Oh, look at this. The flower moon. The supposed flower. Where's the flower moon? I thought there was a flower moon. Who cares? Whatever. But the blue moons are gonna happen on May 21st. And also is that the pink moon is gonna happen on July 31st or June 31st or June 30th. Oh, look at this. So after 10th, May 10th, I'm gonna get a 50-day vacation. And after you ask, why guys? It the reason is because it's my summer vacation. Let's look at the moon first.
मैं आ रही हूँ नीचे यही रूम से आ रही हूँ
Dafti ला लो.
वीडियो बना लो मैं आ रही यहीं पे
Why is it Nuclear Friday? I'm not defeated. Yes, finally. So hello. So do you want to look at the stars, guys? Why is that star looking dimmer in this camera? So let's look at the moon. Someone just spat on my hair. Noob. So guys, let's look at the moon by zooming in.
and this is the friend of me
This is the full moon. It's not like tomorrow. It's not gonna be the foggy moon. So let's look at the star. Oh, look at that star twinkling. That star's twinkling. Yes. What was that? Let's look at the star, the twinkling star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are up above the sun, above like a diamond in the sky. Kid, 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 kid. Right, let's look at the moon again. In this camera, it might look the moon's glow might look orange, and something may look that it's above the moon. In real life, it looks more detailed in real life. Look at the star, that one's twinkling too. So let's make an edit of the moon.
and this is the timid boy Chiku is the timid boy
Are you a noob? Noob.
And you are
You are the biggest noob. You're the biggest noob in history.
And you are my friend. We are equal.
You're the biggest noob in history.
We are equal. We are noob.
No.
Both are noob. No.
No. Why is it Nuclear Friday? I'm guy defeated in my. Oh no, a few toxic particles entered Earth's atmosphere. Lot. Oh no, guys. It's like toxic particles entered Earth atmosphere.